ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕರೆಂದು ಗುಲಾಮರಲ್ಲ 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 ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕ ವಿರೋಧಿ ಕಾನೂನುಗಳು ರದ್ದಾಗಲಿ 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 ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕ ವಿರೋಧಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ 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 ಜಿಂದಾಬಾದ್ ಜಿಂದಾಬಾದ್.
From AICCT, we have organized this protest today, and our main demands are that the labour codes have to be repealed. They are completely anti-labour, they are anti the constitution, they are a direct attack on the constitutional rights of workers. We are also demanding that there should be an end to the contract labour system, which is nothing but a form of bonded labour. And we demand that all the workers must be brought under a direct payment system, they must be made permanent. And this system that is extremely exploitative must be immediately stopped. We are also demanding that the minimum wages must be increased to 42,000. Today, the minimum wages that are notified are totally insufficient to ensure that people are able to live a basic dignified life. We are demanding that 42,000 minimum wages must be ensured to all workers. The labour codes that have been brought in by the Modi government have been brought to bring in a system of complete exploitation. They are going to institutionalize the contract labour system. Under this, the minimum wages is going to become much less than what is today. They are proposing a floor wage, which is going to ensure that minimum wages are totally insufficient and people are going to be incapable of even living in this country. It is these codes that have been brought in are only going to allow the corporate companies, the managements to literally exploit, to ensure that workers have no rights and to make their own profits on the labor of workers. So we are demanding that this anti-worker, anti-constitution codes must be immediately repealed.
The body of industries has come in support of the four codes that have been designated to central government.
See, everywhere we are seeing employees are rejoicing because these codes have come. The reason that is so is because it allows them to exploit. It makes that, one, it says that workers don't have rights. Workers can't unionize and demand their rights. And it completely takes away the powers of the Labour Department and the inspectors to ensure and enforce law. So the managements are very happy, and that is the intent of the Modi government in bringing these laws to ensure exploitation of workers and allow the management to exploit workers. And this is something that we will simply not allow.
Ma'am, is there any communication with the department or its officials or the minister? What is their reply?
We have submitted our representation and we have given our demand, seeking that these labour codes must not be brought in, and also seeking that the contract labour system in Karnataka must be completely abolished and minimum wages must be increased. And we hope that the government will take this very seriously and take necessary action on the same.
So is this the end of the protest or what?
This is not the end. This is today's protest is a warning that has been given to the government. We will take this forward. We will take it forward in every district, in every taluk, in every village, where workers will all come together. And just as we saw a battle that was fought to ensure our independence, now this is what we will be going towards, a battle for the workers' rights and their freedoms.
Did any official comment any official comment?
The officials of the Labour Department have come and they have taken the memorandum and they have said that they will communicate the same to the government. We hope that the government will take this seriously and ensure that our demands are met.